everyone, my name's Frank, and I'm the user advocate for Artsman, and welcome to our series on End of Day in Theater Manager. In this video, we'll explain the theory of end of day, its role, and why it's important. In the File menu, let's start by clicking Accounting, End of Day Wizard to explore more about the end of day process. We can also click on the End of Day button to open the wizard directly. Think of end of day as a banking process for all your organization's income. It's a tool that deposits funds, creates sales entries, posts to the general ledger, and most importantly, provides us reports our accountant can use to post to our financial software. It's important to know how many sales have occurred and how much money needs to go to the bank. Every time we sell a ticket, take a donation, or process a pass, Theater Manager creates a transaction as part of the audit trail. The End of Day Wizard provides a summary of those transactions for your accounting software. Artsman believes in the importance of checks and balances when it comes to accounting. For example, individual employees use till balances to balance their daily sales against payments. For security, it's common to designate employees with specific user access to perform the end of day. The process doesn't take long, usually less than 15 minutes, with the end of day progressing through 4 sequential steps. First, deposits. This lets us count monies from employee till balances, review and close open credit card batches, and allow us to authorize any pending payments not yet authorized, like recurring donations or post-dated payments. Second, sales entries. This creates transactions for every sale, rolls over deferred revenue to earned income accounts, and lets the system run daily cleanup activities in the background. Third is posting to the general ledger, which posts the net change to accounts receivable that was created during the first 2 steps of the deposit and sales entries. It updates the chart of accounts and applies a posted date to sales entries and deposits. And lastly, reports, which is where staff can create any documents they need to hand off to the finance team. It's also where we can export a file of all the GL entries that were just created to import into accounting software, like QuickBooks. The end of day is a critical step to the financial side of any organization. It links the daily transactions in Theater Manager via a summary to your financial software. And that's it. We hope you've enjoyed this video. From all of us here at Artsman, thanks for watching.